So the first thing that I want to mention and I want to bring up is working the scene. Now this is something that I see a lot of photographers skip, especially when it comes to my workshops. You see people going to a scene, they take one photo, maybe two photos, they're pretty happy with it, and then they just move on. Where you can stay with that frame. If you found a frame that sparks interest with you, then stay with it. Stay with it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, even longer if you got the patience. And you will see how the light changes in that small window of time. You'll see how people, different sorts of people, interact. You might see a group of people come through, you might see runners come through, cyclists, cars, dogs, all sorts. You can also change your settings to add a bit of motion blur, for example, or you can step into the frame and change your composition. You can move to a 45-degree angle to the left or to the right, or there might be some stairs or some kind of bridge that you could go up onto and shoot down into the scene. Stay with that frame, work the frame. You will learn so much more. This style of photography, minimalist style of photography that I do, is all about patience. Patience, patience, patience. You will learn so much more. This is not the run and gun style of photography. If that's the kind of photography you're into, then this channel is not for you. The Facebook group is not for you. My little courses and everything that I put out is not for you. This channel, my style of photography, you can go to my website and take a look if you want to have a look at my galleries, is all about patience, calmness, taking your time, using your intuition, tuning in with the energy of the city and the environment that you're in. Slow down, take a breath. We're always in a rush. Slow down, take a breath, and you will learn and take in so much more. Okay, so then set up your shot. Wait for the right moment. Be patient and wait for the right character to come along. You can see in this little video here where I'm taking a photo of a certain scene, I had the picture of what I wanted in my mind already. I've found a frame, I've adjusted my settings, I've taken some test shots, and a few people have walked past in black outfits, and it didn't really balance. I wanted somebody walking from the left of the frame through to the right of the frame, and I wanted them to be wearing lighter colors. Now, I could have just got away with taking one photo and shooting off, and yeah, it would have been okay. But I waited and I was persistent, and there you have it. Somebody came along at the perfect time. They came along wearing the perfect clothes, and they came along and they walked through the perfect part of the frame that I wanted to capture them in. I had my settings, I hit the shutter button, and bang, I got a beautiful photo. I've printed this up, it's on sale on my website, and it's doing well. Other people agree. Sometimes you might have to wait a lot longer, and I have done that. I've waited sometimes 30, 35 minutes, 45 minutes at a scene. It's all about patience. It's totally okay to wait a long time to get what you want. Have the vision in your mind already. Have the vision of what you want to happen in your mind before it actually happens. And I tell you what, the longer you're at a scene, the longer it takes to catch that photo, the more pleasure it will bring you. It's almost like we're out fishing. And if you just go out there and you throw out your line, your bait, and you get a fish straight away, yeah, that's fantastic. That's great. Yes. But the longer you wait for that bite to happen, it builds up that anticipation. And when it does, the adrenaline, the pleasure, everything about it is amplified way more. The best things come to those who wait.